Hello fellow viewers, you're most welcome to Akilam Livestock Farm. Yeah, today I would like to have some information passed on to whoever is planning to join goat farming as a business. Yeah, I would like to inform those people that goat farming is a very profitable business. However, it requires 3 characteristics which an individual planning to join the business should possess. Yeah, the first one, we have passion, we have the dedication, then we have patience. Yeah, any person who is planning to join goat farming should be patient, whereby when you have started your project, it doesn't give you there and then the profits. You have to be patient as you're still monitoring the progress of your business. Then with time, the profits will come. Then you have to be dedicated in terms of finance, resources, the time. So that person should dedicate the time to his or her business, whereby that goat farming business requires some good amount of time. It requires some good monitoring in order to achieve the best of it. Yeah, you need to have that quick response. For example, if there is an outbreak of a disease, you have to respond quickly. If you have designed your program of spraying, you have to always stick to it. Vaccination, deworming, prevention. Then you also need to be passionate. You need to have the passion for the project you're venturing into. This means that if you're passionate, you are more than willing to offer whatever you have for the progress of your project. Yeah. Then if you have that passion for goat rearing, you don't need to wait to accumulate all the resources. You can start with the little you have, then as time goes on, you can improve and develop your business. For example, if you start with, for example, 5 females and 1 male, it is known that at least after every 2 years, a female goat can give birth 3 times. So if you're taking an example of 1 female goat giving you twins on each birth, meaning that after 2 years you're already having the 7 goats. Yeah, then that means that the business or the project has a good multiplication rate, which can in turn give you better profits. Yeah, we say that you can start with the little you have, but again, you don't need to start too small. For example, if you start with 1 goat, that is not business. You need to start at least with 5 goats. That one will make you be in business, such that as the goats continue producing, your business is also growing, thereby increasing your profits. Yeah, but before you start your farm, on top of the other 3 characteristics you need to have, you also need to be having some information about the project you're venturing in, and that information can be got through site visits, whereby you can visit established goat farmers. You can read published books about goat rearing. You can also watch YouTube videos from trusted farmers. In so doing, you equip yourself with knowledge required for you to start your project and in order to achieve the best of it. Yeah, in conclusion, yeah, the time is now for any person planning to start GoFundMe. You start with the resources you have. The big resources will come along the way. Yeah, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. To our new viewers, please subscribe, and also you can hit the notification bell for any more updates.